Pasensya na kayo, hindi pa kami nakapag-release kasi we are not expecting you to come here. And yeah, so here's our,
Wow.
this is a stock room. A little stock room.
Ano tong nilalagay nyo, Lawrence?
This were our, look. This is a painting of our great father.
Ano yan? Did you painted it or?
No, print it. I printed. Here, come here. This is the comfort room in
Where?
the relax. The
How does this work?
You just close it and do that. After that, let's move on into the other part of this. This is where you can put your guests. And you
Ooh,
just
I like
drop
the bed.
here and do that.
Uy, lakang nasa harapan pa rin, Daddy Max. Yun yun.
Next, we have this kind of room
This is
that
the most...
Ano? Sino tutulog dito? Sino tutulog dito?
Sabi ko sa'yo.
Sino? Wala naman dito eh. Wala naman siya dito eh.
Nandito siya natulog, sabi ni Noel.
Dito, doon.
Ay,
Umalis ata siya, umalis siya.
Diyan diyan na tulog si ano.
Pero umalis siya? Here's the balcony.
I think this is a...
I thought it was already open.
I thought it's your house.
Emily version 2. Let's go, guys. It's so beautiful in here. You can just watch the La Union version but chocolate water. Here.
What's this?
Hello.
Ano?
This is a studio.
For
Sound
recording.
studio. No!
Paano ba anong kanta, no?
Quite ugly. The echo is not here.
Buti na lang nauna si Lawrence. Ako din, kauntik ko din na ano.
And here,
Uy, uy. Sabi ni Noel.
tama na sa social.
Hindi, ganda sabi ni Noel.